Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, we gonna start off with our chicken breast. Our first thing we gotta do, we gotta rain on them. Gotta hit them with some salt. Some fresh pepper. Some basil. Then after we get them all seasoned up, we gonna start wrapping them in bacon. Yeah, that's right, y'all. Bacon. We just gotta simply wrap this around there. We don't need any toothpicks or anything to hold it together because, hey, it's going right in the air fryer. And we're gonna set it down where it don't have no problems. Then once we got chicken wrapped up real good, we gonna hit it with some of that Uncle Steve's original, y'all. That original flavor. Just on the top. A little thin coat. Telling you, gonna make it extra tasty. Then we gonna go ahead and get them in our basket. And we ready to air fry, y'all. We ready to air fry. Now I'm gonna put me a temperature probe in the biggest breast at the thickest part, so I can keep that temperature just right. And as you can see, I got me some potatoes at the bottom. Now our air fryer is set at 425 degrees, and it will cut off when it reaches an internal temperature of 160. Now that it done cut off, oh, we done and we ready to eat, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that plate. So check it, I got my fresh roasted potatoes, and this is just simply some of my sweet bell pepper sauce. Now the recipe for this sauce will be in the eye above, and let's give our chicken a taste. Oh my goodness, look at this chicken. Get a little bit of that sauce. Look at that, y'all. Don't it look tasty? I know it look tasty. Oh yeah, yummy, y'all, yummy, yummy. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.